has 6 sides. Nope, that didn't have any sides. So, the one back there. Yep, that's it. I'll find the spot for it.
Right here.
Now, where is the circle?
Right here.
Yep. And then do the last one. You did it! You get your new thing. No, you get Mr. Yay! Now let's see what you get.
Let's make it.